What's up? It's Ron. Comes to Handy, the Tradesman Service and Solutions. Happy New Year. It's January 3rd. And I'm here doing another job for a repeated client of mine. She's like family now, honestly. She's like an aunt. But yeah, it's crazy how we, how this came about, because like she first discovered me on Thumbtack. And then I think I told y'all before, people, if they like you enough, they'll just want to do business with you outside of Thumbtack. So I'm at the property right now, finishing up another project of hers. And I'm just gonna show you guys what we're doing. So let me list all the things that I've done. So originally, this was, I think I replaced that faucet and then the angle stop. And then it turned into, I can't remember what happened next, but it turned into me painting from the entrance to that hallway, going that way, to this wall, to that wall, to that wall, to the kitchen. And I also painted this bathroom also. I also painted this bathroom in this color she wanted. You can see right here, it was black before. Oh look, this is new. So she wanted to paint her cabinets, but I told her like, I don't know how to paint cabinets. It's a whole different monster. I'm not comfortable doing it, but she got somebody to paint it. I'm glad she did. But yeah, I painted this. I put the new mirror up, put the new vanity light up. I put this new exhaust fan up. It was a whole older one. But you can see like whoever did this job before painted black. I'm not sure if that's just mold right there. But you can see throughout this bathroom where there's like just black paint. So I've done that. I installed that fan. I installed that light. I painted this right here. I installed that fan. I have installed that fan. It looks like she got somebody to paint this fireplace right here. This is like a not stone, but like tile. You can see like the pattern in there. But there was like a burn mark somewhere, I think like right up here. And she asked me how to do it. I said, I don't know. But it looks like she got somebody to do it. Hopefully they come back and like fix this and like touch it up. But they fixed that. I did those two lights up there. I painted that garage door. And now what she wants to do, she wants to add like a partition here. So I think what we are coming up with is that we're going to add, I'm going to probably build a wall and we're going to add 2 barn doors. Because I think she's going to like throw like events, but she doesn't want people to know what's in this side of like the house. What I'm finishing up right now are these barn doors, or not barn doors, these swing doors. Now this one is the first one I did. I'd never done before, so this was new to me. So it's the first thing I did right here, first door I did. And you can see at the top, I don't know if you can see it that much, but it's like a dip in the door because I had to shave it down. Because I shaved it down because the floor transitioning to the tile, it's like almost like a ½ inch. So when this door would swing, it would get caught. It still gets caught actually. You see, it gets caught like right there. You see, it stops. So I could have shaved no more down there because then there was nothing else to shave because it was a hollow. And then I learned, with the planer how to, and that's why there's some patch right here. I'm gonna sand this down and paint it because every time I would use the planer and I would get to right here, it would chip off right here. So right here, guys, I'm showing you that in order to get these, I guess they're called saloon doors or swing doors, you get these things that's called like dual action hinges. And it makes it able to like swing back and forth as you see right here. And then you just have to adjust it. It's almost like a hinge that's on a garage door. It's supposed to self-close. And right here, you can see that I already did the trim for this door right here. And same thing, I got the dual action hinges on here. And this one came out a lot better because I learned the technique how to shave it down. So that's why you don't see no putty on it and you don't see no dip on it. This side I haven't completed yet when I recorded this video, but I'll show you at the end. Okay guys, we're all done here. I'll put the door trims on, both doors. I had a double on putting the door jambs. If you guys remember that gap that was there. And then I'm gonna come back, I sanded this down, I'm gonna paint this, and then we'll put the caulking to cover up the holes and the crevices and stuff like that. And we are done for today. So I think it came out. These are the dual action, I think they're called dual action hinges, and make it to where the door can swing back and forth. And then she asked me to put that up right there. And then she asked me to put this picture up in there. And this picture right here. So we're all done now. I'll see her next Thursday. On to the next job. So this job right here, I got it from a third-party, I guess, warranty company that found me. I'm assuming on Google, and I signed up with them, and this is one of the first jobs I accepted. It was a drywall repair, so it was very confusing. You have to do everything online. There's a lot of companies are going towards that way where you have to. There's no number you can call. It's just all online. So this one, there was a leak, and it affected the bedroom and the bathroom on the other side of the wall. And so when I got there, they tell you to receive the I think service call fee, which this one was like $85, I believe. And then this was approved for $80 worth of work. So I originally quoted them like almost $400 because I was going to do the drywall repair plus paint it, texture it, all that. They said no, the warranty doesn't cover it. We just cover a rough drywall repair. And so I'll show you the pictures. What they just wanted. They just wanted to repair the drywall, just to cover up the patch, the holes. But the client, she said, hey, I'll pay you the extra money to do the whole thing, to paint and texture it. So that's what this is all about right here. So this is on the other side of the wall, which is the bathroom. And right here I am using some fiber fused tape. And I think it's like a 10-minute, 20-minute joint compound mud. And I painted it, I used a heat gun to speed up the process. And so that's the bathroom, and here is the bedroom. I told the client it's gonna be, it'll be a slight difference because I'm putting new paint opposed to the old paint. And she said that's fine. And yep, job completed. That was my day.